sale, and would you hire this auctioneer? This is a live auction with real buyers in the seats, and the live auction accounts for 75% of the semifinalist score. With scores totaled, we're headed for the home stretch as we make a move into the final round. The top 10 auctioneers will sell an additional 10 drafts of cattle. Let's check out the first 5 on the block.
36 and 30 pound limit pound limit $7 and $8 38 38 and $10 $40 $40 $40 high 40 pound limit 40 and 40 and 40 high 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 1 limit 1 limit 1 high and 40 1 limit 1 high 1 limit 10 down high and 40 10 limit high down 3 and 43 limit 33 and high at 75 here I'm need you back at 49 75 50 150 on them here 150 here to sold to 149 75 149.75, same way, 51-116. Boy, you're putting some good cattle together, sir. Same good cattle, folks. Here we go.